how to create read-only channel on Discord mobile. Hi guys, today's video I'll be showing you the ways to create a read-only channel on Discord mobile. Now to begin with, first thing first, go ahead and log in into your Discord account. Once you're logged into your Discord account, it's going to take you to this kind of interface here. Go ahead and tap the tab bar icon and select a particular server. Once you're done selecting the server, tap the three dot icon from the top, and here you'll need to go ahead and select the gear icon. And after you're on the settings page, here go to channels, and from here you'll need to select the particular channel that you wish to make it read only. And then once you're on the channel settings page, here you want to go to channel permissions, tap advanced view from the top and click on add role. Here you need to go ahead and select everyone, and once you select everyone, it's going to show something like this. Over here you'll need to go ahead and head over to the section of pull. Make sure to disable send message by tapping the cross icon. As soon as you've done that, the members won't be able to send messages in this particular channel. So that's basically how you can make a read-only channel in Discord mobile. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.